Hey everyone, welcome to North Dakota Car Guy. In today's short episode of Project Dream, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a short shifter and a drift button. Stay tuned. Now if you're here just for the short shifter part, down below I'll have some timestamps so you can go ahead and skip to whatever part you need to see. So this first part, I'm going to be installing this drift button. What a drift button does is it basically allows you to pull your handbrake up without having to push this button down, because if we pull it up, it stays up. And we got to push that button, given the name of drift button. You just push it in and it will stay in, and then you can move it up and down without having to worry about this button staying out and not putting it down all the way. So it's actually a really simple process. What we need to do is take some pliers and screw that out. Take this and we're going to turn it loosey as far as drift cars go. Alright, so we got our plastic knob out, and then inside here there's a spring. And technically this is the mechanism that basically makes us have to push it in every time. And so technically with this out, we can just pop this back in. The only problem is that once we push it in, we won't be able to push it back out. And that's where this guy comes in. You can see that this has got this ring on it. So if you want to pull this and then leave it up, you just got to push this out, and then it locks it in place. It's pretty simple, really. And then you just be able to screw it in. Here we go. So I can actually feel the little thing in here. Oh, there we go. See, we got it in there. So you can see that pushed in, you can push this up, and then you can push it out, and it stays up. How sweet is that? So that, my friends, is how you install a drift button. So, with that done, next we can do our shifter. So, before we do any work with this, we have to fill it up with oil. It's the same oil that we use for the transmission. We got this big circle bezel, and then there's kind of a spacer in here that stops anything from going down. We're gonna fill it up to that point. It smells fantastic. We've got our kit from Atkins. What we've got is this ring that's going to replace the little slot in here. We'll go ahead, throw this in. So then this guy go in. Put our gasket on. And our spacer. Now, put more oil in it. Alright, now we can take our shifter here. You see where this slot is? That's going to fit in this slot. And be really careful. That feels great, man. I'm having too much fun with this.